Hi everyone, I just wanted to give you a quick how-to on how to get to your student's email account. Number one, you have to click the browser for Google Chrome. It looks like this. If you don't have it, you're not on a Chromebook, which is the device that we recommend that the students use. If you don't have it quite yet and you still need to log in, you can download that onto your device. So once you're within Google Chrome, and you get to the Google homepage, what I recommend doing is when you click over here on Gmail, it's going to pop something up like this. Now yours might be completely blank. What I recommend doing is I'm just going to use another account. I'm actually going to use my daughter's account so that you guys can see what it looks like. First of all, you type in their last name, dot their first name, and it looks like if you're in a normal computer, you have to type the @olsohio.org. Okay, now if you're on the Chromebook, it should already log you into this stuff. And then once you click next, it's going to prompt for your password, and get rid of that so you don't see everybody's passwords. Your password, your student password, is their first initial, their last initial. So for Grace, it would be GH, and then it would be her lunch number. So whatever her 6-digit lunch number is. So your password is 8 digits. First initial, last initial, lunch number. And once you've entered that in, excuse all of these, I'm going to exit out of this quickly. Okay, so I exited out quickly so you wouldn't see all of Grace's emails. However, once you're within that email, you're going to see one from Mrs. Horning that your child needs to click on and add themselves to the class. Please let me know if you have any questions, and more to how videos to come.